Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining me in this video. In this video, I'll walk you through how employee can access their own data, how they can check their leave and attendance related records, and how they can view their profile into Zoho People account. So mainly, this video is totally focused on end user perspective as an employee's perspective, how they can perform their daily activity into Zoho People account. Okay, so to log into the Zoho People, you just need to simply log into your system by using your credentials, your user ID and password that you have set at the time of activating your Zoho People account. So once you log in into Zoho People, system will directly navigate to you under home page. You will be able to view this home screen. So home screen is basically for overview and a quick update of the activities that related to you, anything that you have applied for, or it's anything is in a queue, or anything is there to approve or to review stage. So all each and every activities you just can have a quick review from your overview or from MySpace dashboard. So let's see one by one. Under the activities section, this section is basically for all the activities which is performed by you, or it's tagged to you by your organization or any authorized person or any HR department side. So you can view the work schedule over here, your check-in and check-out reminders, or your schedule time and everything. So this is basically related to all the activities which is assigned to you. Under the fit section, though, then the fits is mainly focus on the internal communication kind of the activities. So under the fit section, you will be able to view the messages and conversation, whatever is happened with you, with your internal team, or with authorized team that tag to you. Okay, so under the fits, you will be able to view the communication status, any announcement or any notices that messages you received from HR department or your organization side. You will be able to view under the announcement section. This is approval. So any of the pending or any of the stages that that requires your approvals, that will be visible to under this approval section. Mail alert, any mail communication is there in channel, then you will be able to view your email under the email alerts. Also, you can review your holiday list, your upcoming holidays, and any updates in your holiday list. It will be under holidays section. So basically, this is the fits related to your internal communication. Next is your profile. This is your profile that has been created by HR department, and it's updated by you either or your HR team member. So of course, this employee profile is confidential information between you and your HR department. So basically, you will be able to view all these details, whatever is filled by you during your onboarding process, or it's updated or edited by your HR team after your joining. So your work related information, hierarchy, personal details, identification information, all the personal and professional information you will be able to view under your profile sections. This is the approvals that we have already seen, that any of the approvals are in line, then you will be able to view under approval section. Leave related dashboard, of course we have a separate module for leave activities, but from here, as I mentioned earlier, that all the activities which is allocated to you or which is performed by you will be able to view, have a quick review under the MySpace. So of course you can access your leave related data from here. So here you can check your available leaves for particular leave type and book days for that particular leave type. So as I have logged in from the Civica's accounts, and then you can view that leave without pay is applied by Civica. So we can view that booked day is 1 day. So Shivika is already applied for a leave without pay. We can review leave balance from here. This is attendance. So you can have a quick review of your attendance records, your number of check-in and check-out, and number of working hours. So all these attendance related details you will be able to view from here. This is your time logs. So whatever the time logs, that whatever work details you have done for the day or for the week, so you will be able to view that time logs related details from here. Okay, so of course we have a separate menu for the time tracker, but from here too you can view your time logs related activities. So this is the timesheet. This is your job, whatever the job is assigned to you, and your files and career history. Okay, your goals and feedback. So everything, the details, whatever allocated to you, that will be visible under the overview section. Okay, next is dashboard. So under your dashboard, you will be able to view all these details under the description way, like the birthday of your colleagues or birthday of any birthday buddies, we can say that. New hire, if any new hire is there who joined no recently, and who are going to who is going to join us in near future, so you will be able to view the new hires related information over here. Under the favorite section, you can add your favorite activities or any favorite details. Quick links will be, if any quick links is not shared with your particular profile, your role, or with any employees details by HR department or your organization, then you will be able to have a quick link review over here. This is announcement. So announcement section is, we have a separate announcement section that you will be able to view all the announcement and documents from there. But under your dashboard too, you can have a quick review of your announcement, your leave reports, your pending tasks or upcoming holidays and everything. Under calendar, you can view the calendar. So calendar activities will be particularly that it will highlighted your absence, your leave days, your presence, your check-in and check-out related things. So you will be able to view the calendar activity for your profile over here. This is all about my space. So next is team related details. So you will be able to view your team related details from here. So your team space, department and approvals, who how many number of employees or how many number of members are there in your team, how they are under which department, department wise employees list, or your department's employees list. You will be able to view all the details related to your team member over here. This is the organizational level information. You can have an overview of organization, that how many number of or which modules are there in Zoho People and how you can access from here. So this is a list of your opted module into Zoho People, we can say. Any announcement is there from your organization side, so you can view your announcements from here. So as policy update, mandatory attendance regulation in Zoho People has been announced by the authorized person or your HR department. So you can have a quick review from here. You can you can read or you can view your announcement and can see the attached document with your announcement. So this is a very easy to access and easy to review the announcement details from this dashboard only. This is how the announcement is worked. This is policy related. If any policy related updates or any policy, any changes in policy or new policies introduction, and your HR department shared that particular details with you, then you will be able to view under this policy section. Under employee tree, you will be able to view in the reportee and reporting manager structure, who is going to report whom and who is the we can say this in simple word, that it will be simply a hierarchy of your employee tree. Department tree, basically department tree is same as per the employees tree. So which department is parent department and child department, we can set from here. and the department list will be visible with the number, the person who is belonging to that particular department. So this is fully customizable. Whatever you want to opt and whatever you don't want to give a review access right to your employees. Based on that, we can set all these configurations in Zoho People. Department directory, you can directly contact your person, whoever is joining, whoever is there in your department. So you can have a quick access to contact your department person. Birthday folks, the list of birthday persons you can view from here, and new hires, as we have already seen new hire in to the our employees personal dashboard, but here is a separate access to view in details. So this is how we have covered all these things. So Zoho People give us to have a quick access from your overview and my space related things. So next is leave tracker. Whatever the leave eligible and applicable criteria is in your organization, we can set leave policy according to that. So I have set some of the leave policy. For example, over here we can restrict that leave policies. The number of days, the applicable eligibility criteria are different from organization to organization. So Zoho People give us that kind of the flexibility that we can configure the leave related things based on the organization requirement. So these are the 6 leave that I have configured over here, and this is the employees leave dashboard. So employee can review and access their leave summary from here. So whatever the leave is eligible and applicable will be visible under the dashboard screen. So this is the leave summary of employee. Leave balance we can check from here. For example, casual balance available 11 days and booked is 0 days. So these employees are having 11 days for their casual leaves and not opted any single leave under the casual leave type. So this is how we can check leave balance from here, and leave request related things that we can check from the leave request dashboard. Of course, employee can apply for a leave directly from leave summary dashboard. Even we can apply from leave balance directly. If I wanted to opt any earned leave, for example, so I can directly apply earned leave from here. Okay, so this is my earned leave, and the number of days I'll simply select for that. If I wanted to apply 2 days earned leave, and reason for the same personal reason, and I'll just simply submit on it. Yes, you can give a mandate and non-mandate related things. It's based on the organization requirement. So reason for leave is currently non-mandate, but I have fill over here to give you a reference, and just need to simply submit it. So the leave for the earned leave I have applied for 18th and 19th, and it's currently under process. So before approving or rejecting the leave, you will be able to employee will be able to cancel their leave before taking any actions by the HR department or by their reporting manager. So they can simply cancel their leave if they wanted to cancel and they are not more requirement. So this is how they can simply apply for their leave, and under the leave request we can review the the applied leave days under this leave request screen. So this is how their leave summary, leave balance and leave request will work. Now one more example, let's take one example for casual leave. So for casual leave, there is one policy that I have configured that minimum 2 days consecutive maximum consecutive 2 days will be applicable for that person. Particular employee cannot opt or cannot request more than 2 days at a time. Okay, so I have requested for 3 days, and I'm going to submit it. So system will give you generate a pop-up that you have already applied for leave without pay on this day. So for same day I can't apply for leave, but for 18th to 20th, if I'm applying for a leave and submitting the leave, you have okay. I have already applied leave for the same day. So 23rd to 25th, I am applying for a leave and submit. You can apply for a maximum of 2 consecutive days of leave. So if I have already applied another leave type for that particular days, then system will give me a pop-up that you have already applied leave for these particular days. In that case, system will not allow me to apply for the leave. And in the second case, that casual leave is only allowed to take a maximum of 2 consecutive working days, and I'm applying for a 3 consecutive working days. So system will not allow me to submit the leave request under the casual leave type. So in both the cases, system will give me a pop-up or give me a note that I can apply, or why I cannot apply for the particular leave type. System will describe me the reason or restriction criteria for not allowing to submit the request. So this is how leave application is worked. Let's check with the 23rd and 24th. Now casual leave, I am applying for 23rd and 24th, and system will allow me to submit the leave request record. So by this leave module, we will be able to view that how end user or employee can manage their own leave related records and leave related data. They can track their leave status from here without directly personal interaction with HR department. They can just see the leave trigger from here. So this is a team related leave. So team related leave is that the if any particular department is planning for any kind of the work or allocation of the new projects or anything, so a particular person will be able to view the leave related data for that particular team members. So if I am applying for a leave, but before applying for the leave, I just need to check that who have already applied for a leave, if there is any scope of me that I can take a leave or not. So under the team dashboard, employee will be able to view the team related leaves data. Under holidays, the list of holidays, whatever the published and holiday calendar will be visible under the holiday dashboard. So this is how leave tracker is working under the Zoho People. This is attendance. Next is attendance, and employee can generate their attendance record from here. As well as employee can directly record their attendance into system by home page, my space and overview, and from here check-in. So employee can check in, any user can check in and check out from their home page as well as under the attendance menu. Just need to simply click on the check-in button. If your organization asks you to allow your current location before generating the attendance record, because some of the organizations are using or restricted geolocation to record their attendance, employees attendance. So for that purpose, if you are if you want to allow your location or never allow or restrict, this is totally based on your organization policy. So currently I am not allowing, and I am checking. Now I have checked out, and simply again I want to check in, then it's check-in. So for check-in and check-out both, I just need to simply click on the check-in and check-out button, and system will record my attendance and my working hours record over here. So under this screen, attendance menu, you will be able to view the leave type or your weekend or your working days and working hours from here. So from here you can directly check your worked hours per day or that particular day. So this is a very easy to access, and it's easy to understand how attendance module is work. Of course, if organization is having policy for regularization or early permission, then Zoho people give an flexibility on that we can configure based on your policy. For the hourly permission and regularization request. So regularization and hourly permission both will be managed under this attendance system. So this is how attendance works. Next is time tracker. So if you have allocated or you're a manager allocated any project or any job or related task or any billable and non-billable project related task entries, then you can just simply log your all the times and your work logs from here. You can manage, you can add your logs, and you can submit the details regarding your day-to-day or weekly work status from here. So for the time logs, you just need to select the project for that job. The job is already pre-assigned to you by your manager. Then you just need to select job. What are you working on? So you just need to describe that what you have worked on for the day or for the week or any weekly or monthly status or any daily status. So you just need to describe your work status over here. Is the billable or non-billable? And select it, and of course you can start a timer while you are going to start your work for the particular project. So simply you just can start your timer from here. And the next is timesheet. You can manage your timesheet. You can create your timesheet by clicking on the timesheet. The period, so you want to fill your timesheet for today or this week or for a month or previous days. So based on that, you just need to select the period of your timesheet. You can create from here. You just need to select a client name. Just need to select the project name, whatever is assigned to you, job name assigned to you, and other details like billable and non-billable. Okay, and just click on next. So you will be able to have download, or you will be able to get a summary of your timesheet from here. This is your jobs that you can add your job if you have a right, or your manager will add job on behalf of you. So job related details you will be able to view under this. How many number of projects allocated to you, and under which project you are working. All the details related to your working projects you can view under this project section. And job schedule. So any of the schedule is maintained, or any of the schedule is already allocated to you for any particular project or any particular task, then you will be able to view your job scheduler over here. So this is your job scheduler, that how many job is assigned to you and how many hours you have worked for that particular job schedule. So this is how time tracker is worked. And under the performance, so whatever the performance data is applicable to your organization and the performance related metrics is allocated to you, it totally depends on your organization policy, and you will be able to access your performance data from here. File. Under file menu, you will be able to view your personal as well as official file, whatever is uploaded under the file section. So we have an option to generate a different folder for the different purpose of file. So any file that you have attached during your onboarding process, or whenever the HR asked you to share under the Zoho People, or any of the file and folder is shared with you or by your role or by your organization based on your role or based on your activities, or any of the file that shared by your HR department, anything related to file you will be able to view and access from here. So this is a shared with me, shared with your role, particular role. For example, you are on a managerial role, and organization shared one file with a particular with who a person who is working under the managerial role. So you will be able to access that file from here. Your team related file and organization related file will be accessible from here. So this is how file menu is working. Employee engagement is totally dependent on the survey. Whatever the employee engagement, we can say that employee engagement survey or any satisfaction survey that HR has generated and shared with you, and you will be able to view that survey related details from here. You can add your survey, you can give your feedback, and you can submit your survey from here. So this is simply an engagement activity related module. This is how the all this module works. And under the HR letters, the letters whatever generated by the HR department and tagged to you, or is shared with you, or you have requested and they have generated the particular HR letters for you, then all the HR letters like experience or address proof or bona fide certificate we can view over here. Any appointment letter or any relieving letter or anything will be generated under this folder, and you will be able to view and access your HR letters from here only. Next is travel. So there are under this travel, if you are traveling for any official purpose and you just need to submit your travel request in advance, so just need to simply add record employee department. So HR department, expected date of departure. For example, you are going on 2nd of March, and place of visit Bangalore, and expected date of arrival is 6th of March, and expected duration in days 5 days. And purpose of visit, you can mention purpose of visit, training, and customer name is trainer, and is liable to customer, then no, and simply you just need to submit your travel request from here. So your manager will be, or your approval authority will be able to view your travel request, and they will they will approve and reject your travel request based on the requirement. Of course, we can define the flow of approval based on your requirement, who will be the approving approval authority for which particular flow, that will be defined based on the company policy and requirement. After coming to the travel, you can add your travel expense from here. So select ID. So I have already applied my travel request on this ID, travel ID 1, Bangalore and training. So I just need to simply submit my travel expense request over here. Of course, this request form is customizable, and we can customize based on the requirement, whatever the organization if wants to take the details of the amount, which particular amount, and bifurcations of the expenses, then we can add and we can remove based on the requirement of the organization. Whatever we are reviewing now is a standard feature given by Zoho People. So this is how the employee engagement, HR letters, and task. Now task, you can add your task over here. Your manager and your authorized person can allocate task under this. So of course you can add your task name. You need to add just description, that what you have performed and what you want to perform. Start date, due date. If you want a reminder on that particular task, then you can set your task priority, and status of your task you can manage from here. It's open and completed and anything. So this is how your task you can check from here. You can track your task. You can check form view of your task, and also you can add a checklist, track checklist and related checklist from here. So this is how all the HR people and Zoho People is working basically for the employees purpose. Zoho People will help employee as well as HR to maintain their employees' personal and professional details into one place, and it will help employees to access their own data. So it will HR department can cut down the in-person or human interaction for all the small queries or anything. So this is how the Zoho People from the end user side. Thank you for watching this video. If you are having any query or concern, you can ask us in the comment. Thank you.